Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Kia Sportage. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.